Welcome to the Healthy Couch Potato. How to eat fat to lose weight. Do remember to leave a like on this video as well as subscribe for more health related content. Remember back in the day when fat was considered the sole reason for weight gain? It was those days that caused health problems and potentially an increase in heart disease years later. There are good oils and bad oils, we know that now. But which oils should the dieter focus on to lose more weight and stay healthier through the diet? High-fat foods perfect for weight loss. These are oils from foods like avocado, fatty fish, nuts, olive oil. Are there less calories in good fats? The truth is that all fats have the same amount of calories. There is no difference between the good fats and the bad fats. There are about 14 grams of fat per tablespoon of oil. That equates to 129 calories per tablespoon. This may seem like a lot, but the health benefits outweigh the calorie intake any day of the week. To put the calories into perspective, there are 100 calories in one of those diet snacks that have become so popular. The portion sizes are tiny and the carbohydrate content can leave the dieter craving more sugar after the snack is consumed. Fats, on the other hand, leave the dieter feeling fuller for longer. When the fats are consumed with protein, there is an even greater feeling of satiation. Best tip to follow for healthy fats and weight loss. The number one tip to follow is to eat 1 tablespoon of healthy fats at each meal with protein. Less calories will be consumed throughout the day because the dieter will feel less hungry, period. That's it! Thanks for watching.